All right, guys. So, gotta have my coffee. You gotta have it. So, today, it's an exciting day. It's a very exciting day. So what we're doing today is we're taking the engine out of the RX7. I mean, I'm just saying. So basically, here's what the deal is. So the deal is, we've got about 9 days until there's this drift event coming up here in San Antonio. I don't know if you guys heard about it or not, but Chelsea Denofa is coming to Texas. We managed to get 2 slots, one for me and one for Austin, for one-on-one individual training. So like, he's coming down, he's gonna teach a course on Friday, and Saturday we're going drifting with Chelsea Denofa. Like, what the fuck? Yeah, I don't know. I'm so excited. Austin's excited too. But the problem is the RX7's down. It's been down, and I'm gonna hustle to try to get this thing ready in time. Worst case scenario, we have to take the RX8 and the Miata. But in order for that to happen, I've got to get this thing up and running, and that entails pulling the engine and pulling the transmission and all that other crap. So I know most people, it's like, whatever, no big deal, but guess what? We're doing it in the garage. So before we get started, we just got it up on jacks. We're gonna get it up a little bit higher because this thing isn't high enough, because I need the front end to be up. So that way we can pull the transmission out that way, because it just, the engine and transmission comes out like that, but you gotta get it at like a crazy angle to get it to work. I've done it in here before, but so yeah, so we're gonna jack the front end up more. And then that's where we're gonna get started. So before we start on actually doing that, the first step is to drain all the fluids. Boy, is that a pain in the ass, but we're gonna get it done, so let's do it. Step 1, let's get under there and start draining the tranny fluid. Before we get started, there's the time. Let's see just how long it takes to get this engine out. So before we get into any of these vehicles, you always gotta give it the hump tap. See, that's not good. Whew, scary. You don't want to be stuck under one of these cars and then have that thing go out on you. That'd be terrible. So we're gonna go hump the other side. Seems to be okay. What really sucks about this is that I'm getting rid of some really good transmission fluid. It sucks that I had to drain all this, because that's gonna be more money I gotta spend, but oh well. You win some, you lose some. Okay, note to future self. This thing is a freaking 19. It was on there. Okay guys, so if you could see here at the end of this thing, that's not good, that's metal. A little chunk of whatever that is. It was attached to the magnet. I don't know what to say about that. I think wasting a perfectly good oil filter, but what else? Alright, well, adios oil filter. It's been nice knowing you. Okay, now to remove the biscuit from under here, if we can. I don't know if it's the right size or not, but we're gonna find out. That's just gonna strip. We'll come back to that. So guys, I had to go out to the place to go get this socket because I couldn't get my oil sandwich adapter off. But I came home and I got a lovely present. That's right, you know what this is, right? Well, you will. So that's the plastic dip that we got for the truck. So yeah, look forward to that. That's gonna be fun. So I'm not gonna tell you what color it is just yet, because that'll be for a different video, but just a little tease. This is gonna be interesting to say the least. Hell. Shit. It's not terrible. I've done worse. I've done way worse, but yeah, we got it cooling all over the floor. What you gonna do? Well, now we can get this top one off. No big deal here. Yeah, like I thought, there's nothing on that one. Okay, pop these bolts out.
That was my first and last mistake. I'm blue without your face. But what can I do? 'Cause I'm just a sinking ship, and you're just a pair of lips that I've lost in the moment. All I want is for you to come back.
Oh my God, that hurt. Oh, that hurt. Whew. Maybe this floor is wet. Talk about clearance. Oh my God, I almost busted my ass again. Oh, fuck. Forgot I had this zip tied. I need to unzip tie that. That one. Okay. Ew. I always like screwing the bolts right back in where they go, so that way it's easier to find them and they're harder to lose that way. We're just gonna zip tie this out of the way and we should be good. Now what I'm doing is undoing the grounds to the engine. That way we can get these things undone. So let's get these things out. So you just never know sometimes with these things, man. I tell you, it's like hit or miss. You just never know what it is that's gonna be your problem. I'll just be happy when this thing actually works. We don't have any more crazy ass issues with it. I just want it to run, no problems. That's what I want. I don't think I asked for too much. I think I asked for just enough. So guys, I didn't film taking the exhaust off for a couple of reasons. A, it's a complete pain in the ass. B, I didn't need y'all seeing me swear that much. So now I'm just gonna get these mounts off, since everything's unattached now except for the rubber mounts that hold this puppy in. We're just gonna undo these, and then I'm gonna do the, we'll drop the exhaust and pull it out. That's the plan. Okay, I'm back. Hell, that was a bitch. Ah. Got it. Oh, well, fortunately this jack stand isn't doing anything, Jesus. Put this useless ass jack here. Not doing nothing. Well, we got it out. So yeah, that was a pain in the ass, but we got it out. So next, we're gonna, I don't know, I need a second to think. That was frustrating. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna get the drive shaft out. After we get that out, there's a couple little things we gotta do. We'll just go from there one thing at a time.
So I can give you one more chance. You're only living in your damn head.
Okay, so now that we got all that knocked out, basically what we need to do is we need to get the carburetor off. We need to make sure there's no more electrical connections connected to the motor. Basically just remove everything out of here. After we get that out, we'll hook everything up and then we'll start undoing the engine mounts and the trans mounts. And then yeah, it's taking a lot longer than I thought it would, but that's what happens. It's okay. We'll get it done. All right, let's get the carburetor off. Oh wow, seriously? That thing melted? Oh, holy crap. That's weird. We'll have to look at that. Now we remove. Put some tape on there, just make sure nothing falls in it. And then we pop that puppy on there. So guys, I decided to take a quick break because something crazy's happening. It's snowing in Texas. Like, what the hell? Look at this. What is this? Why is this happening? This doesn't even make sense. Like, the whole yard is covered. Look at that. I don't know how the hell. Like, how thick is that? It's pretty thick. Okay, so I needed a break because this was just driving me nuts. So we're gonna go and take the dogs out. You boys ready to go outside? You ready to see snow? Let's go see some snow. What's this? What is it? Go in the snow, go on. Here he goes. I guess this plant wasn't up for the weight of all the snow. It just freaking collapsed. That's crazy. So yeah, I don't know what to say about that, but I don't know, I gotta get back to taking this engine out. So let's do it. Okay, now we gotta remove the slave.
Say the word, say the word.
I will not be defeated. Oh, look at that. We got the right size and everything. It's a miracle. You know what? I might need to get the jack. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna get the jack before I do this because I don't want this thing dropping on my face. That would not be cool. Alright, so there's that. Okay. Alright, that's out of the way. So now we got the transmission supported. I gotta go take the turret off and we'll go from there, shall we? Alright, so let's pop this sucker off next. This way. Got it. Oh. What the f? Oh, Jesus. Well, that wasn't exactly what I planned on, but it worked. Jesus. Well, there we go. And that is why we don't use our TV on that. I guess. I don't know. Maybe we're supposed to get a gasket. We'll figure it out, but it's out now, so cool. On to the next step. Okay, guys, here we go. It's go time. Let's see how this goes. Hey, she's loose. Hey. Gotta go lower the transmission. That's not good. That's not good. That's not what I wanted to happen. Just in case. Yeah. Did it. We did it. Yes. Well, guys, we got it done. I can't believe it, but we got it done. Let's see what time it is. Let's just check real quick. So, yeah, so we're looking at 9:56. So it took me about almost 9 hours to do. Now, mind you, this was all by myself. I had to go to the parts store a couple of times. So this wasn't ideal, but we got it done, even with it snowing in Texas. What the hell? So yeah, so we got it out. Here it is. It's looking pretty good. Got everything lined up, transmission, everything. So we'll be able to get this puppy cleaned up, get it apart. This is our engine bay. You can see it's a little bit messy, a little bit dirty, but it's okay. We'll get this puppy cleaned up. It's gonna look real nice when we're done with it. So before it gets too late, I'm gonna go out and go get me some Denny's and celebrate. Like, I don't know, this seems like something to celebrate. I'm hungry too, so why not? But if you guys like this video, smash that like button. If you didn't, dislike it. Just lets me know what you guys like and don't. And if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. We'll be putting out more crazy content like this, and hopefully it'll be more exciting as we go. But yeah, I'm just so stoked that we got this thing out. Like, getting this puppy out is just like, I feel so good. So I'm gonna end this on a high note, so let's do it. Just remember guys, no matter what you do, keep drifting fun.